everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create a new partition in Windows 11. Creating a new partition in Windows 11 can help you organize data or set up multiple operating systems. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to manage and create partitions effectively. This is our drive, and I'm going to partition this drive to create another E drive. To create, open the Disk Management tool. This is the drive, and I'm going to partition this. Don't worry, this process will not delete any data from that drive. Right-click on the drive and click on Shrink Volume. Here the available shrink space is shown in megabytes. I want 50 gigabytes of space, so I'm going to calculate. $50 multiplied by 1024. It's 51,200. Once done, click on the Shrink button and wait. Now right-click on the unallocated space and create a new sample volume. You can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the process is complete, the new partition should appear in the Disk Management window and be accessible through File Explorer. And that's it. You've successfully created a new partition in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and spreading positivity.